I can retire, but it's just never appealed to me. I love to be doing things, and I love being challenged.
At 74, most people are ready to rest, relax, and retire. But farmer Jack King has an ambitious plan in place, and it doesn't include slowing down.
So Jack, this is career number what for you?
I would guess you'd call this career number 3 for me. I really love farming. I love growing stuff, so even though this looks like work to a lot of people, it'll be full retirement for me.
Jack is a third-generation dairy farmer. For 35 years, he raised and bred cattle. Now he works full-time at the U.S. Department of Agriculture with the Natural Resource Conservation Services. But that's not the only thing he's doing.
I can't tell you how good it feels to stand in front of these blackberries today and feel like I've had success at doing something.
In 2010, he started planting berries. That was the birth of King's Organic Farm in Caroline County.
I didn't particularly want to go back to animal agriculture, so I studied up on organic production and tried to figure out what I'd like to grow organically, and that's what's led me to growing these fruits.
Jack grows a variety of organic raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries on his 6-acre farm in Ridgely.
What we call USDA certified organic has to be grown on land that is free of non-organic materials.
Jack even makes his own compost.
This is a real key ingredient to improving the soil tilth and being able to farm organically without a lot of synthetic fertilizers. I'm real big on composting. We normally use chicken litter and wood chips to produce this product. Nature gives us everything we need, and all we need to do is stop and understand how she works, and we can really get there and do it in a good way. And what we're looking for is a berry that is totally blackened all the way around versus these that still have some redness on them. They'll be sour.
Jack's wife Vicky uses the leftover berries to make fresh organic jelly that she sells right from the farm. Lucky for us, she saved some blackberries to make a delectable cobbler.
Well, Vicky, one of the best things about summer is having a fresh fruit cobbler, and you've been kind enough to make us a blackberry cobbler with your own organic fruit. Mind if I try some?
Sure, help yourself.
This is really a pretty simple recipe, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's very simple. You just get your berries, you wash them, and put them in your dish, sprinkle lemon juice over them, and you're finished with the berries.
And then you got a little cobbler to put on top.
Right. Then you want to make your topping, and it's made of sugar, flour, egg, and you stir it together, and it makes kind of a crumbly mix. Sprinkle over, melt some butter, pour the butter over top, stick it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes.
And I got to tell you, it is some kind of delicious. It's really good.
Yes.
Well, we're going to put it on the website at mpt.org/farm. You can try it for yourself. For the local buy, I'm Al Spoler, enjoying these berries. Joanne?
Thanks, Al. Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our local buy recipes. And you can watch full episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates and a look behind the scenes.